I'm on the beard. Puppies, you need to let the screen go black.
I don't want to.
Because then I don't have to look at myself.
I need to frame it properly.
Yeah, anyway. Welcome back to the lounge, folks. Come on, let's take a look at my Toyota. It's our Toyota.
Yes.
It's our new TURDCELL. You remember what happened to the last TURDCELL? This is our new Toyota TURDCELL. You can barely tell it was a TURDCELL because it says something. I see the T right there. Look at this fancy trunk.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's a little obnoxious. Oh!
How obnoxious can this car be? What's louder, the horn or the exhaust? Gotta do something different. We can't hear the horn. How is this car gonna be safe if we can't hear the horn?
Ah!
Oh, yeah.
That's a good piece of trim.
Okay, we need a couple of horns. See what we did though, we started saving up horns because people need horns, and nobody has bought any horns from us. Hey, I need to be treated like a lady. Those ones are like together.
You're just gonna bolt it right there?
Do we really need a hood?
Yeah, we need a hood.
See, I could just hook it up. Plus, it'll be pointing almost forward.
Oh, yeah.
It won't be on a hinge unit. It's grounded.
It's grounding to the plastic bumper.
Dude, these horns were built for this car.
What luck.
What? What did you say?
You can use your AC wire nut on it. Just let it ground out and make sparks.
Oh! Yeah.
Oh, grandpa.
Ow, mommy!
Oh, Lord. Ooh, it's in tune, too.
We're trying to get Dylan's attention.
It's 3 now.
You think it's louder than the exhaust yet?
Are you so horny? It might not be.
Let's try it out.
Yeah. All right, let's hear it. I think the problem is there's no horn to overpower the sound from underneath.
Delicious. Why did you do that? You idiot. What happened there?
I tried to put the grill back on. He tried to ruin the grill.
You blithering idiot.
Hammond!
Bumbling buffoon. Exactly like it, I think. Similar.
Oh my Lord. Right there. Put it on the hood ornament. Right there.
Why would we need the hood?
Because the one's gonna be a hood ornament. Ornament.
Hood ornament.
Insert graphic here. It's a ornament.
Let's see how these ones sound.
Ooh, that's a
That
good
is
one.
That's
Yeah.
loudy. There's not enough wire length.
Get the spaghetti.
I don't want
You got
spaghetti.
a lot of spaghetti over there.
Ooh, I like how you're grounding. It's very
Oh my
nice.
God!
Oh
He's
yeah.
just oh no!
it's all off. It's
like
dissonant.
afternoon.
It's dissonant is what it is. All right.
Yeah!
More. Oh, put it on the floor.
Is that what we're doing? We're hooking it to the turn signal?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my God, yes. Hook it to the turn signal.
Which one's negative?
Well, that's a good question.
Make a guess.
Does it matter? Does it
I
matter
don't know.
with the
I don't know
horn?
if it'll horn backwards. The other one will be going. Running out of length here. Get it?
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
That's freaking right.
Oh my God.
Why are you trying to break my car automobile?
This is the good car. We're trying to keep it. We just need to make sure that Dan can hear it in the yard when we're driving it around. Do it. Go ahead.
Don't busty the windows.
Strike it down.
Banana kid.
All right. It's a homemade car alarm. Oh no! Break it! Oh, y'all blew it up. That runs the horn and the lights?
No, it just says hazard horn.
You're the bigger one. That was great. It was like a homemade car alarm.
I know. It worked perfectly.
It did. Beep, beep, beep. Ooh, look. There's already a hole. You can mount one to the light. Look. All you gotta do is take one of these pointy ones and just screw it in.
Yeah.
Freaking mount one right to the light.
That's it.
2, 4, 6, 7 horns is the limit. That's as much as you can put on the circuit.
Yep. That's a shame.
Do not put more than 6 horns on your horn circuit.
No, what we gotta do is we gotta change our. We gotta get the blinker to work because then it's going through the blinker horn, not the hazard. See?
Yeah.
Not just the brain. Maybe it is.
Goes to the blinker horn. Nice. Nice.
We need to find a different tone of horn and put it on the other blinker.
Yes.
Yeah, let's try this single. Let's see what
yeah,
this single sounds like. Let's just give it a little. Let's just give it a little testy do, or should we just wire it in?
I got it. That's a bit
It's
loud.
kind of like those,
It's a
but it's
little
like
bit
single
like-
tone. It's
Yeah.
monotone.
Yeah, monotone.
Loud like that.
What kind of sound does that make when you plug it in?
Oh no, it's gonna be much worse than that. But we're gonna gamble on it.
Yeah, it's
We're
good.
not gonna freaking. We're not gonna try it out. We're just gonna put it in.
Oh no.
It's good enough. It'll work. I promise. I promise.
Columbus.
I promise.
It's the Schleem. Don't forget the Schleem.
Yeah, the Schleem and the. What's the other thing?
I don't remember.
There's too many.
Wait a minute. That one can go in.
Sorry.
Don't lose it in the squeaky belt.
What did you do?
I leaned on
What are
it.
you happening? What did you do?
See doodle.
See, Poodle?
This one's sturdy.
Hey,
Wow.
I'm trying to freaking wire
Or I'm
stuff up
fat.
here.
Stand on it.
Stand.
Do it.
Sit on it.
Oh yeah. The absolute dump
sturdy.
truck. Barely put any weight. Oh my god.
I'm on the mirror.
Are you gonna let that mirror beat you like that? Ah! Oh my god! We almost died.
Glad that there was like no customer cars over there.
Flying.
Punishment, you need to turn on the blinkers. Do it.
Turn on the hazards now. It changed tones Oh my god. That's so good. Oh my god.
What have we done?
Guess what? It's Merck's turn. Let's have it. Let's see if you can get a rhythm going.
I want that horn from my car.
That hurts my brain. Ow, my brain. Gotta hook one to the brake lights now. That one might be differenter. It's got different color. It's not black, it's gold.
That's racist. So,
Yeah, just shove it into the connector.
okay. Dad took our freaking tool.
And he wandered down the street far away from us. I think he's had enough horny car.
Oh.
Or, I'm sorry, is it the horned car? We hadn't decided if YouTube will anger us if we say horny car.
I mean, it is a horny car. It's got horns on it.
Yeah, that's true. Oh God, he found us.
Good Lord.
Well, you gotta have one on the brake light.
Yeah.
Oh, is that so people know that we're stopping?
Yeah. It's warning
You know
people
what?
that we stop.
That's actually a good idea. That's like super safe.
Yeah.
We should put one on the gas door.
This one just
So that when the gas door opens, or when you want a side honk, the gas door will thunk. Or in the gas door.
This is getting out of hand. Getting out of hand real quick like.
What else are we gonna do with these horns?
That's
Ain't
true.
nobody buying them from us.
You realize that it's only connected to one.
I
right?
know. I saw
well.
that.
Oh well, it's a one-horn wonder.
It's okay.
Wasteful.
Did you hook it
All right, hook the other one to the.
scare you, and it didn't work. You're a dork.
Hook the
Try
other.
another green one. Tweedly doo.
Well, you could have one for each. One for running lights, one for brake lights.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then if it's nighttime, you're gonna wake up all the geezers driving through their neighborhoods with the horn going.
It's gonna be an ordeal to turn them all on at the same time. You're gonna be pressing the brake, turning the blinker. I told you all we needed was sound coming from the rear.
Wait. Next, we got to take another turn signal flasher, and we got to hook it up to the reverse light circuit so that it goes through from the reverse lights through the flasher and to a backup horn.
Oh.
Put it in reverse. Honk, 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 honk.
What fun.
Too much fun.
3 fun. Ew, what the hell happened here?
7 fun. That was, I think that
Did you
was
take
when
a
I-
leak on it?
That was when I kicked it.
No, that's when you sat on it.
Yeah, when I shat on it. Shazam. Shazam. It's kind of like Shazam, but not even close.
That is some freaking sturdy plastic.
That is,
I'll tell you
yeah.
what.
I tell you what. Tell you what.
Tell you what, son.
You don't tell me anything. Wait a minute. We need to take the car alarm horn and put it there. So when you open the freaking car door, it just goes. It'd be great. Yep, I like it.
Where's the drill?
No, I don't think this is the end of the horned car. There are way too many circuits on this car to attach horns to. We're gonna have to revisit this one.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to put a solar panel on it, or maybe another alternator.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out at the lounge. We sure did.